The 48 Laws of Power. Law 1. Never outshine the master. Power doesn't destroy you. People's insecurity does. And that insecurity appears the moment you shine brighter than the one above you. Explanation. This law teaches a very human truth. People in higher positions often carry hidden fears. They worry that someone younger, smarter, or more talented might replace them. Even if you don't intend to threaten them, your natural abilities can make them feel overshadowed. And when a superior feels insecure, they react in quiet but destructive ways. They may block your opportunities, withdraw support, or slowly push you out. The idea is not to hide your talent forever, but to present it wisely. Make sure the person above you always feels respected and safe. Let them believe they are still in control. When they feel secure, they help you rise. When they feel threatened, they hold you back. Power is not just about what you can do, but how your actions make others feel. The simple truth is this: your brilliance should lift you, not threaten someone else. Knowing when to shine and when to step back is a skill that protects you in every environment. Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. The deepest cuts always come from the hands you trusted the most. Explanation. This law focuses on emotional blindness. We assume friends will always stand with us simply because they are friends. But relationships built on emotion are unpredictable. Familiarity creates comfort, and comfort weakens discipline. When people become too comfortable with you, they sometimes stop respecting boundaries. Jealousy, misunderstandings, and hidden expectations can quietly grow inside friendships. Enemies, on the other hand, are often more reliable because their intentions are clearer. If an enemy becomes an ally, they have something to prove. A friend feels no such pressure. That doesn't mean friends are bad. It means blind trust is dangerous. Trust should be based on consistent actions, not feelings. Power demands clarity. When you make decisions, don't let emotional closeness cloud your judgment. A friend should be tested the same way you would test anyone else. Loyalty is meaningful only when it survives pressure. Law 3. Conceal your intentions. People can only attack what they can see. As long as your next move is hidden, you remain untouchable. Explanation. This law teaches the power of silence. When people understand your plans, they can interfere with them. They can copy you, block you, or influence others against you. But when they don't know what you are preparing, they can't stop you. Humans naturally fear uncertainty. When they can't predict you, they become cautious and confused, and this confusion gives you an advantage. Concealing your intentions does not mean lying. It means sharing only what is necessary and protecting the rest. Ideas are fragile in the beginning. Exposing them too early allows others to crush them before they grow. Only reveal your plans when they are ready to stand on their own. Power grows in silence. Predictability weakens you. The less people know about your direction, the more control you have over the outcome. Law 4. Always say less than necessary. The more you speak, the more you reveal. The less you say, the more powerful you appear. Explanation. This law is about control. Words expose your thoughts, your emotions, and your intentions. When you talk too much, you give people material to judge you, predict you, and sometimes use against you. Most people speak to fill silence, but silence creates presence. When you speak only what is needed, your words gain weight. People pay closer attention because they know you don't waste speech. Silence also creates mystery. When people cannot fully understand what you are thinking, they begin to imagine it. And imagination is always bigger and more dramatic than reality. This gives your presence a stronger impact than any long explanation ever could. There is another danger in talking too much. In moments of excitement, anger, or nervousness, words slip out that should have stayed hidden. One unnecessary sentence can reveal your weaknesses, your fears, or your plans. Once revealed, they cannot be taken back. Powerful people speak with intention. They choose calm, short, and clear sentences. Their silence forces others to reveal more, while they stay protected. When your words are few, your influence becomes greater. If you want people to respect you more, listen more than you speak. If you want people to underestimate you, talk endlessly. The choice is
Law
always
5.
yours. So much depends on reputation, guard it with your life. Your reputation walks into every room long before you do, and it decides whether doors open or close. Explanation. Reputation is the foundation of power. People judge you before they meet you, and they treat you according to the image they already carry in their minds. If your reputation is strong, you receive respect, trust, and opportunities without asking. If your reputation is damaged, even your best actions are doubted. Robert Greene explains that reputation is not just what people think of you, it is the confidence they place in your name. A strong reputation can intimidate enemies, attract allies, and make people hesitate before crossing you. A weak reputation makes you an easy target. This law teaches you to protect your name the way you would protect something valuable. Small careless actions can create big misunderstandings. A single rumor, if ignored, can grow into a permanent stain. Power requires awareness. You must know how people see you and what stories circulate around your identity. But reputation is not only defense. It is also a weapon. If people see you as disciplined, they won't expect mistakes. If they see you as unpredictable, they will stay cautious. If they see you as honest, they will trust your moves. You can shape these perceptions through your behavior, your consistency, and your silence. The strongest reputation is built slowly, through actions repeated over time. It must be guarded because losing it is easy, and rebuilding it is difficult. Your name is your shadow. It follows you everywhere, even where you cannot go yourself. Protect it, strengthen it, and let it work for you. Law 6. Court attention at all costs. Invisible people are forgotten. Only the visible get remembered, respected, and followed. Explanation. This law teaches that staying hidden is dangerous. In the real world, value is often linked to visibility. People assume that the person they see the most, hear the most, or talk about the most is the one who matters. Attention creates presence, and presence creates influence. If you disappear from people's minds, your power fades with you. Robert Greene explains that the world is crowded, loud, and competitive. Everyone is trying to be noticed. If you don't take control of your visibility, others will fill the space you leave empty. Being silent for too long makes people forget your work, your abilities, and even your identity. But this law is not about chasing attention in a desperate way. It is about being intentional. You must appear in the right places at the right moments with the right impact. A single strong appearance is more powerful than 100 weak ones. When you present yourself with confidence, people naturally turn toward you. Those who avoid attention because they fear judgment end up giving power to others. Silence can make you seem weak or irrelevant. Visibility, on the other hand, makes people take you seriously. It signals that you are active, present, and worth noticing. Attention is a currency. The more of it you control, the more influence you gain. When people are watching you, your moves matter more. When no one sees you, your moves might not matter at all. To rise, you must be seen. Not loudly, not desperately, but undeniably. Law 7. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Power belongs to the one whose name is remembered, not the one who worked the hardest. Explanation. This law is about using strategy instead of effort. The world often rewards visibility, not labor. Many people work endlessly behind the scenes, but their contributions disappear because someone else steps forward and claims the spotlight. Power grows when you learn to benefit from the skills, knowledge, and energy of others while keeping your own hands free. Robert Greene explains that great leaders throughout history rarely did everything themselves. They built networks, gathered talented people, and let those people carry the weight. The leader's true skill was coordinating, guiding, and presenting the final result as their own achievement. This isn't exploitation, it's understanding how the world functions. The visible figure becomes the symbol of success, even if the foundation was built by many unseen hands. The key is subtlety. You must not openly steal credit or disrespect people who helped you. Instead, Position yourself in a way that makes the final victory seem naturally connected to you. You set the vision. You directed the effort. You shaped the outcome. When you do this well, others take pride in supporting you rather than feeling used. This law also protects your time and your energy. If you try to do everything yourself, you burn out quickly and lose strategic perspective. Power requires space to think, observe, and plan. Delegation creates that space. Let others handle what they do best while you focus on the bigger picture. In the end, the world remembers results, not the process. The one who stands at the front is seen as the creator, even if many hands built the path behind him. To rise, you must learn not just how to work, but how to make work flow through others. Law 8. Make other people come to you, use bait if necessary. Always stay in the position of power. Don't run after people. Don't chase opportunities. Make others move toward you. You do this by creating value, confidence, and mystery. You set the terms. You control the pace. You make yourself the prize. When you chase, you look weak. When they come to you, you hold the power. Use attraction, not pursuit. Use strategy, not desperation. Message: stay still. Stay strong. Make the world come to you.